Lesson 6. Wind. Hello fellow game designers, welcome to the Wicked Cat Unity Introduction course. Today you are going to learn how you can add wind to your scenes by creating a wind zone. Step 1. Creating a wind zone. Unity allows you to create the effect of wind on your terrain by adding one or more objects with wind zone components. All the trees inside the wind zone will bend in a realistic animated fashion. The wind itself moves in pulses. This helps to create natural patterns of movement among the trees. To add a wind zone to your scene, you can either create a specific game object for the task or add it to an existing game object as a component. To add the wind zone as a component, select the game object from the hierarchy. On the Inspector tab, click on Add Component. Now search for Wind Zone. As you can see, the wind zone component is now attached to the game object you selected. Remove the wind zone component you just created. Let's now use a specific game object for the task. Go to the main menu, Create Other, and select Wind Zone. This will create a specific game object for the wind zone. Step 2. Wind Zone Parameters. As you can see on the inspector, the wind zone component has several parameters that you can adjust. The first one is mode. You can set the mode of the wind zone to directional or to spherical. The directional mode makes the wind affect the whole terrain at once, while the spherical mode makes the wind blows outwards within a sphere defined by the radius property. Directional winds are more useful for creating natural movement of the trees. The spherical winds are more suitable for special effects like explosions. The next parameters are wind main and wind turbulence. The wind main property determines the overall strength of the wind. The wind turbulence allows you to give a little random variation to the wind strength. The next two parameters are wind pulse magnitude and wind pulse frequency. These two allow you to control the wind pulses in order to get a more natural effect. The strength of the pulses is defined by the wind pulse magnitude, while the time interval between the wind pulses is set by the wind pulse frequency. This concludes our lesson on wind. Please, don't forget to subscribe our channel and leave a like on the video. If you have any doubts or feedback, use the comment section below. We hope you enjoyed the video. Keep doing awesome games, and have a nice day.